Good morning, guys. Hopefully you had a good day yesterday. And I want to say sorry for the fact that you guys had to go through finding that IXL yesterday. I thought it was going to be a lot easier to find, but we will make sure we don't do that again. We'll just do traditional IXLs from now on, so we can find those a lot easier. Thank you for persevering, though, and finding the ones that you needed to do and completing that. I appreciate it. Today we're going to talk a little bit about decimals and do a little bit of work with decimal number stories. But we're going to specifically talk about decimals with money. So let's start with, if I said we have 1 dime, well, we know that would be 10 cents, which you would write like this, right? Which, if I were to write this as a fraction, how much out of $1 or out of 100 would be a dime? Well, it would be 10, right? Well, what if I changed my question to 1 penny? How would I write 1 penny as a decimal or in money? Well, it would be 0.01, 1 out of 100, which that would also be our fraction, 1 out of 100. Now, we know how to add fractions. So if I said, let's add these two together, let's say we have a dime and a penny, and you had to add those together. 10 hundredths plus 1 hundredth is going to give you 11 hundredths. But today we're going to work on adding decimals. Now, when we add decimals, it is exactly like adding regular numbers in that you have to line up your decimals, or line up your place values. So the easiest way I can say this is when you are adding decimals, make sure that you line up your decimals. So when I have 10 hundredths and 1 hundredth or 1 penny, notice my decimals right here are perfectly in a line. Okay, if they're not, you're going to get the problem wrong. Just like if I was adding 100, don't want to write with the highlighter. If I was going to write with 124 plus 2, I wouldn't put the 2 in the hundreds place, right? I would put the 2 over in the ones place. It's that same concept. So if I add my two fractions, 10 hundredths and 1 hundredth, let's add those together. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. And I just bring down my decimal. And so you can see that the two answers I got, 11 hundredths and 11 hundredths, are the same. So adding decimals is like adding fractions. It's just that we have to align our decimals instead of making sure we have the same denominators. Okay? So let's take a look at today's lesson. Today we're going to have 2 sales flyers, and here's an example of one of them. And let's look at the light bulbs, for example. Okay, the light bulbs I want to draw your attention to is if you were to buy a 4-pack, just one 4-pack, it's going to cost you $1.09. But if you buy 5 or more, notice at the bottom, each 4-pack drops from $1.09 to 88 cents. So they're giving you a discount if you buy 5 or more. So let's look at how that would price out. Let's say I wanted to see how much it would cost to get 2 packs of light bulbs. Okay, well, if 1 pack is $1.09, 2 packs, I would do that twice. So 2 packs, let's add these. 9 plus 9 is 18. I carry my 1. 1 plus nothing is 1. I bring my decimal straight down. And then I have 1 plus 1, which is 2. So if you wanted 2 packs of light bulbs, it'd be $2.18. Now if I want 5 packs of light bulbs, notice the price is no longer $1.09. When I'm buying 5 or more, it drops down to 88 cents. I'm going to get 5 of them. Alright, so let's do this. 8 5 times is 40. So that's 0, carry my 4. 8 times 5 is 40 again, and then I have my 4 up here at the top. So 40 plus 4 is 44. So carry my 4. So $440, right? No, the decimal point is very crucial. It changes the amount by a lot. So if I add my decimal point in there, it becomes $4.40. So you can see it's a lot better deal if you can afford to buy 5 or more than if you're just buying, 2. Because if you look at the price of 2 of them, it's $2.18, and the price of 5 of them is $4.40. If I were to double this price here, it would just be a couple pennies less than this price, meaning you can get 4 for almost the price of 5. So that's what a lot of retailers, shops will do, is they're going to give you guys better deals. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be working on page 261 in your math journal. And we're going to be trying to solve some of these problems of how much things would cost in a store. So let's look at number 1. Number 1. At the top, it says Jeff bought 5 toothbrushes and 1 tube of toothpaste. What is the total cost? Okay, so I see 2 things here. 5 toothbrushes and 1 tube of toothpaste. I kind of find that as an interesting purchase. I think I would probably buy 1 toothbrush and 5 tubes of toothpaste, but maybe he needs them for his family. I don't know. Let's find the toothbrush. The toothbrush is over here on the right flyer, and he's buying 5 of them. So when I look at that, which price am I going to use? Because I see 2 prices. I see the $1.38 and I see the $1.13. So which one am I going to use? Well, he's buying 5 of them, so that means that I'm going to be doing this price, the 5 or more, because he's buying 5. If he was going to buy 6, same price. 7, same price. Anything 5 or more. So he's going to get each toothbrush for $1.13. He's getting 5 of them. Now on the toothpaste is on the flyer on the left. You can see it over here. He's only getting 1 of them, so I'm going to have to use the top price up there of $1.39. So they want to know how much is it going to cost to get 5 or more toothbrushes and 1 tube of toothpaste. Now obviously I'm not going to have enough room on this page, so I'm going to go ahead and do this on the other page. But let's remember the prices. The toothbrush is $1.13 each, and the toothpaste is $1.39 each. Alright, so for our toothbrush, it's $1.13 each, and he's getting 5 of them. So $1.13, $1.13. I'm going to do that 5 times. Alright. So when I add this up, 3 5 times is 15. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Carry my 1. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. Don't forget your decimal point. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones over here. So the toothbrushes are going to cost him $5.65. Now the toothpaste, if I remember right, was $1.39, but I'm going to go back and double check it. Yep, it's $1.39. So I know he's only getting 1 of them, so that's my total. So your toothpaste is $1.39. Your toothbrushes are $5.65. The question was, how much would the total of the toothbrushes and the toothpaste be? Well, to find the total of something, we're simply going to add those together. So $5.65 plus $1.39. Let's see, 5 plus 9 would give me 14. Carry my 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. Plus 3 more is 10. Carry my 1. Don't forget your decimal. And then 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. So $7.04 would be my final answer. Not too bad. So let's go ahead and try number 2. Number 2 says, Mr. De La Garza pays for 8 boxes of tissues with a $5 bill. How much change does he get? Alright, what I want you to do is I want you to pause this video, give this one a try, and see how you did after you start the video again. All right, so first of all, we had to find the tissues, and the tissues were on the left flyer up at the top. Box of tissues. He's buying 8 of them. So I'm going to use the prices of 5 or more. So if you use the 73 cents, I am sorry, that is not the amount we should have used. So let's see what we get. We're doing 57 cents 8 times. So 57 cents 8 times. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. All right. So now, if this is 57 cents 8 times, I'm going to start with the sevens. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56. So I put the 6. Carry my 5. Oh, that's convenient. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So I put my 5 down here, carry my 4. My decimals are kind of hard to see, but don't forget to carry those down. So my total is $4.56. That is not my answer. My answer was how much change would he get if he paid with $5. So here's my $5. How much change would he get from $4.56? 0 minus 6, you can't do, so you have to come over to the dollars. Change that to 4. Change that to 4. And this becomes 10. Now I can borrow that from the 10. That becomes 9, which makes your pennies column 10. So 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. And 4 minus 4 is nothing. So he's going to get 44 cents back. All right, so today that's what we're going to be working on. We're going to be working on solving those decimal number stories. Again, make sure you're taking your time. You're solving these carefully. Go ahead and get started on the IXL, and you're going to want to get to 80%. Thank you, and if you have questions, make sure you ask. Good luck.